Red 1 in the hook. Give them around to the right. Start the show. Rolling on the centre of 3 types of show that we can do. Full class for rolling. Airplane taxis with no more than a rolling show. What Red 1 has started for us today. Red 6 and 7 now move inwards to sit behind Red 1. Red 8 and 9 also move inwards to form our world famous Diamond 9. Red Arrows this year once again are led by the team leader in his second year as the team leader. Red 1, team leader John Bond, former Typhoon pilot, former qualified flying skipper on the Tucano and the Tucano display pilot in 2012. Most of them from the right in Diamond 9. On the right-hand side, Red 1 is Red 2. The main training instructor on the Hawk. Before they completed his own training and joined the Typhoon Force, where he flew on operations over RAF in Syria with 3 squadrons, and then became an instructor on 29 squadrons, which is the operational conversion unit, all based at Orient Province in Lincolnshire. We now see that centre section move forward, passing up a week to the formation, move rearward, with Red 8 and 9 move outwards to form one of the widest shapes we fly in 2025. It's Smoke and Gone in the Swan. That's because we fly operation by ear rather than by eye. Which means pilots running outside the formation are putting their input in just a little bit low, nearly under nose on the inside to allow the formation to move as one. Red 8 and 9 now collapse inside, sit behind Red 2 and 3 to form the shape of one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. In from the left, the Smoke and Gone in the Concorde.
Shaped like a Concorde.
On the left-hand side of that centre scale is Red 3, while on the stage in the United States Marine Corps, before then coming back to the UK and flying the RAF latest 5th generation fighter, F-35B with 607, the Gambuster Squadron based at RAF Mars. And Macca would like to give a shout out today to his sister Laura and his old school friend Spencer, who is here today watching the display. We now see Red 2 and 3 move forward. The rear sections form the Delta Wing shape. 2025 celebrating 20 years of the Royal Air Force Typhoon display team. And with a nod to that 20-year anniversary in from the right, this is Typhoon. Red 4 is squadron a trip to town. He's in his second year of the team. Again, he was taking some training and he's made into an instructor on the Tucano before then completing his own training and joining the Tornado GR4 force, where he experienced over operations over Afghanistan with 617 the Gambuster Squadron, and he received an Air Force RAF for his service on operations over Afghanistan. The Royal Air Force is famous for its operations in air domain, but these days we have a unique capability in space and cyber. And to represent that niche capability with a shape representing space, it is Apollo. 11 pilots in the red arrows. They're jumping around the space to the game. They've got to former customers, co-pilot, former co-pilot, on the whole team on two. And of course, the offline by the runner, off the commanding RAF acting, Commander Alex Collins, former lieutenant, former customers, the off-board pilot, and if you get to the level while on exchange with the Royal Australian Air Force. That's 4 and 5 now. We've got red 8 and 9 split left and right, and also red 6 and 7 split 6 behind red 2 and 3. Red 1 continues to bring them around to the left later before the years. Get your cameras ready. Fantastic photo opportunity from the left for the colourful big picture.
Yeah, I think you get into this.
Pop along, have a word and find out what they do in the red arrows. 6 and 7 in trail of 1, red 8 and 9 in trail on the rest of the formation. One of the most popular, if not the most popular, maneuver the red arrows fly. Get your cameras ready. From the right, it's tornado time!
Oh, man. That's right.
Red 8 and 9 roll goes. Red 8 and 9 roll around the rest of the formation. And as red 1 gets closer, watch for the colour change. This brings them down the line. A little bit right. Oh.
Yeah.
On the right hand side, we're 9 on the left hand side. The four once again are 9 and 9. Red 1 will continue to bring them around back towards the play line before we start the second half. And this will be your last opportunity to get that picture of the world famous red arrows in our world famous Diamond 9 before we go into the second half. The second half of the display is more dynamic, fast-paced, heart-pumping, jaw-dropping part of the display. But before that, once again, coming in from the left, the smoking song in the Diamond 9, it's the 2025 Royal Air Force Aerobatic, the Red Arrows. As we go into the second half, we start the same way as the in the second half, we operate the off the left-hand side, where it's lost to 5, named at the English license, straight side, off to the right-hand side, and then 6, 7, 8, and 9, known as Hannah, named after Squantico Ray Hannah, one of the first members of the Arab. Only two leaders in the team for 4 years. We just team from the 76th to the 96th and formed our world famous Diamond 9. Enid from the left, Anna from the right, for the 5-4 cross. red 1 and red 4 trail over the next of the formation. Number 4, roll go. The 4 corners made the 4 rolls around the stroke of Venus. Back behind red 1 in the centre. Red 5, red 6. The former cycling pilot with 11 children and struck up on 29 George next pilot. Almost all in front of him, 18 left. And immediately to the right hand side, look directly to your front, you're looking for the smoke trail of red 6, 7, 8 and 9. Red 8 and 9 smoking red and blue around the Cinco pair. Cameras ready, it's the Hannah break. On operations over Iraq and Syria. Each pair now dive down to the sea, though only 100 feet above the sea. They have a closing speed of over 900 miles per hour as they perform the Hannah Pass. Oh, no, it's the top from red 6 to our right, there's red 6 to our right, there's red 7 to our left, pull up, red 7 to our left, it's right 7 George Hobday. George in his second year of the team, and again, he was taking some training, taking instructor on the Mexicanos, before they joined the type of final operations over Iraq and Syria in 11. Each aircraft will roll the correct way up, back down to that 100 feet to make a complete manoeuvre called the boomerang. Look to your right hand side for Enid, the smoking trail. Get down as Enid forms in 30 feet. Looking to your left, you're looking for red 9. He's travelling at over 500 miles per hour, the red smoking trail. He's the full producer. On the horse, we mark 2. Look directly to your front, you're looking for 6 right there. Red 6 on our right, red 7 in our left, then those like twinkling in the distance. Once again, ladies and boys and girls, get your cameras ready. Another great, fantastic photo opportunity. The smoke will go for the world famous synchro horse. Coming in from the top right, it's red 8, and 3 is the half. Red 8 is flight 76, Walker. Richard is leading with aviator, Hamilton Harrier, light blue, and he is qualified climb up on the horse, 3 2. And the Renard would like to dedicate today's heart to the ambulance charity, Kent, Surrey, and Sussex, all of their crews, patients, families, and volunteers, and all their thousands of supporters. But the show's not over. Keep an eye on the Cinco pair. Once again, they'll dive down back towards that 100 feet over the sea. That's blowing the speed of over 900 miles per hour. Each aircraft will form a power roll. They'll cross in the middle at wing 6 to wing 6, 30 metres, 100 feet, in a manoeuvre called the double roll.
Double roll.
Joined by Red 8 and 9. 8 and 9 roll again around the smoke of Enid in the corkscrew. Another fantastic opportunity to see our famous red, white and blue. Striving for excellence in everything that we do, and we like to think that we're doing the team in a better place when we leave from when we join. But keep looking to your left, keep looking to your right. You're looking for the synchro pair, red 6 from the right, red 7 from the left. Again, 100 feet, a barrel roll, crossing in the middle, in a manoeuvre, pull, the circuit.
Pretty good, huh? Yeah. Awesome.
Front right 45 in the distance. You're looking for Enid. The white smoke now coming on. Red 1 eases the formation up. The red, the white and the blue come on as Red 1 flies a barrel roll in the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in a manoeuvre called the Serpent. Again, you can see our famous red, white and blue, only capable due to the smoke pods under the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod is capable to keep the 1 minute of red smoke and 1 minute of blue smoke. Each of those colours has its own button on the pilot's control column. During winter training, red 6 and red 1 took the smoke plans to ensure we had the right colour smoke at the right time to display and simply do not run out. Red 2, 3, 4 and 5 now move up alongside red 1. They're working extremely hard in this formation, pulling up the forward view with 90 degrees, looking down their shoulder line. Maintaining that formation with red 1 as the smoke comes on in the tango. Keep looking to your right, look to your left, look from the right hand side. You've got red 7 and 8 from the left hand side. You've got red 6 and 9 for the first of our two movers in 2025. This is Chainsaw. Red 6 and 9 in this. 30 seconds. All the next all the blood rushing to their heads. The first they now put control the correct way up, turning that negative speed, 2 positive speed. Goes up